This happens to your body when you eat cabbage every day. Members of the cruciferous family seems to be rich in antioxidants and are in the first line of defense against cancer. Cabbage is one of the vegetables that are highly promoted for prevention of cancer. There are 3 major varieties of cabbage: green, red and Savoy. The red variety has more nutrients because of its red to purple pigmentation. Both the red and green cabbages have smooth textured leaves, whereas the Savoy is more ruffled and yellowish green in color. Nutritional benefits of cabbage. This parcel of vegetable is nutrient-packed and low in calorie. It is impressive with its high content levels of calcium, iron, iodine, potassium, sulfur, and phosphorus. In the vitamins department, it is loaded with vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, E, K and folate. This humble vegetable is a rich source of a number of phytonutrients which help boost our defense mechanisms, blocks the reaction of cancer-causing substances, detoxifies and eliminates harmful toxins and hormones, and stimulates production of antibodies to fight cancer. Health benefits of cabbage. The anti-cancer properties in cabbage makes it a powerfully healing food in combating the much feared disease, cancer. Studies after studies have shown that fresh cabbage juice has been effective in the treatment of a number of cancers and ulceration in the digestive tracts. Anemia. The super healing effect of the superior chlorophyll in cabbage has been found to be good for blood building. Breast engorgement. Peel off the outer layers of cabbage, run it slightly under the rolling pin and cap it over the breasts as close to the skin as possible, to soothe breasts engorgement. Wear your maternity brassiere over the cabbage and leave till the cabbage leaves with a. I have tried this and found it to be rather soothing, the preferred natural and cheaper alternative over taking drugs. Cancer. Daily and frequent consumption of cabbage juice has shown to be effective in preventing and treating cancers of the breast, colon, liver, lung and ovarian. A compound in cabbage, sulforaphane, also helps protect cells from invasion of carcinogens. Constipation. The slightly laxative effect of cabbage makes it effective in stimulating bowel movement. Eat the uncooked cabbage, either on its own, or juiced. Digestive system. The amino acid glutamine in cabbage juice is totally gentle and cleansing on the digestive system, detoxifying, repairing ulcers, healing and regenerating. The juice is to be taken in small amounts of about 100 milliliters, 3 times a day on an empty stomach. Immune system. A compound called histidine in cabbage is found to be useful in treating allergies and regulating the T cells in our immune systems. Skin wounds. Flatten layers of cabbage leaves with a rolling pin, and wrap it around affected areas of wound, blisters, sores, skin eruptions, as in psoriasis, burns and ulcers. Keep in place with a bandage, until the leaves turn yellow, then change the leaves and repeat till wounds heal. In between changes, clean and dry wounds. Stomach and intestinal health. The high sulfur, chlorine and iodine content in cabbage have the significant ability in cleansing the mucous membranes in the tracts. When juiced, cabbage produces a substance known as sulforaphane that is very healing for any peptic ulcers. Weight loss. A substance in cabbage inhibits the conversion of sugar and other carbohydrates into fat, definitely a painless way of dieting. Consumption tips. When buying cabbage, choose the smaller variety, they taste better. Cabbage is easier to digest in its raw fresh form than when cooked. The longer it is cooked, the less digestible it becomes. Cabbage sprouts are delicate and easier to digest, and they also contain higher levels of nutrients. Avoid buying pre-cut cabbage that are either halved or shredded. The moment the cabbage is cut, it begins to lose its nutrient contents. To store, keep the vegetable refrigerated in a perforated plastic bag to prevent loss of its vitamin C. Cautionary note. Raw cabbage juice may be unpalatable for some people, but the health benefits of its raw state is immense. You can also use the purple cabbage as they are the sweeter variety. To make it easier on the taste buds, mix your cabbage juice with any of these: carrot, green apple, celery, cucumber, spinach or even a slice of lemon, with peel. Take raw cabbage juice in small amounts initially if you are unfamiliar with drinking vegetable juice, gradually increasing. Cabbage consumption may cause gas in some people, especially when cooked. In this case, add a few slices of turmeric in cooking to prevent gas, or limit your cabbage intake.